Back. What is happening? Look at this. There's a lot of snow. This really feels like December. I will know. Nightfall. Anyway, I will buy seed. Nitrogen. Bro, I'm not attending that. What weather is this? This is a party. I think it's copyrighted. I'm pretty sure though. Guys, I'm not a dog. I just wanna be famous. But this stupid dog keeps biking. Bro, you said there's a small chance, but oh, never mind. I love classical music. Yeah, right. Does any of my fruit have disco? Bro, let me search Snowy. There you go. Alright. What? How's this possible? Crimson Thorn. Crimson Thorn. Crimson Thorn. Every one of you guys see that, right? You probably saw that. Let me search my crimson. There we go. I'm telling you there's a crimson thorn. Hold on. Where's the leaderboard? Bro, this guy is too rich. I mean, too poor. So that's why he's not like buying it. Bro, how did it stuck? The last time I got Octobloom suddenly. How are Transcendents less rare than Prismatics? I literally saw 2 Transcendents stuck now. And Prismatic, only 1? Huh? I got a giant pine cone only. Why is the Transcendence always stocking? Except for this thing, Zebra Sinkel. I don't know if it's stuck twice though. But for sure it's stuck once. Great, but I need Zebra Sinkel or Octobloom. I need Zebra Sinkel. I can spell, okay? Ornamented. Bro, why is this great pumpkin not getting mutations? Anyway, I need Zebra Sinkel because I got Octobloom. You hear the bells? No. Yay. Santa? Who in the world is Santa? Do you mean Santa? The fat old man with a sock hat? Oh, I'm sorry. I just disrespected him. Anyway, let me just go and kick these gifts. Oh, I'm a ball. Helicopter. Oh, never mind. Bro, just get mutation. You great pumpkin. You are a great liar. Wow. Oh, 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 oh. It's a bucket then. Wow. Huh? Wait, what am I doing though? Wait. Bro, I need sprinkler so much. Hold on. Speaking of sprinkler, is any sprinkler stuck right now? What? Is there no sprinkler stuck? Is stuck. Anyway, what time is it? 9:48. Meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Can the great pumpkin mutate itself? Ugh, that was close. You don't know what happened. You don't want to know what happened. Gem egg? Well, I like that. Yay, gem egg, gem egg, gem egg, gem egg. What if this changes to 250 billion? I would crash out. Wait, snow touch? Are there a snowball? Oh yes! Guys, I got a snowball. Never mind. It got through all. I got snowball. Wait. How to get snowball? Oh, here. Hello, what you doing? This is so fun, lol. I'm just so excited. Anyway. Ignore that, someone called. I thought it was someone else though, but it's just my aunties. Let me get some snowballs. I cannot grab. Will I have to step on them? Yes. There we go. 15. This is 15, right? Oh, it's 14. Actually, it's 15 minus 1. According to my calculations. Is this 15? Yes. There are a lot of snow. Wait. Snowy? You can turn fruits. You can just throw it to the fruits, then get mutations? Is that how easy it is? I don't think so. Yum. Those are the biggest lollipops I've seen of my life. Let me taste one. Yum, 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 yummy. Hello. Bro really got the crimson thorn. Yeah, how? She really got the crimson thorn. Bro, armadillo. I can see you. Yeah, I knew that. Anyway. Did I just saw 6-7? 6 minutes and 7 seconds. Don't you dare do that again. I hate that trend. Actually, it's alright. I don't hate or love that trend. Why did I say I hate that though? Who is Samta? It spells so incorrectly. It spells like some like this. Anyway. Also guys, I made a song. I'm not from Mexico, okay? But hola. poop there. Yes, I be like, okay, but stop singing. Okay, Mexico, okay? Let's go here and let's poop. Hola, this is your gift. Oh my gosh, what did I just sing? That is so weird. That is also hilarious. Bro, why did I sing that? My mind, oh my god. I hate my mind right now. Who is Santa? Who is Wait, let's make it so obvious. Santa. Is that Sammy? Bro, mean Santa Claus? What the Santa? Why? Wait, song? What do you mean song? Oh, I get it. What the? Anyway, I hate it. I'm just kidding. It's alright. So don't worry, alright? I will let you guys hear it. Yeah, I cannot hear it, but you guys can. Maybe you cannot even hear my voice. Anyway. Hola, what you doing, Sam? No way, I just sing that again. 1 minute to update. I just turned up the song. Now I can hear it. Anyway, it's so loud. What is that? Did you just see a candy? Red and white candy. I love that candy though. Bro, it's so loud, my ears. It's even louder than Karen's golden song. I got an ad in back. There's something. Oddly, sprinkler. It isn't that bad. Bro, it's only 53 seconds till the update. More. Cinema? What is this? Oh my god. Why did you give me an admin pack? Well, I'm just going to get a common egg. Imagine if I really get a common egg. On my first try, I got a common egg. I was like falling to the ground at that point. Anyway. Hola! I'm so addicted of this song. Now I'm singing Switzerland Drop. Anyway, let me just grab this admin pack. I got common egg, but that's alright. At least I'm almost to the Crimson Thorn. I just saw it, so don't worry. What is holiday crate? But I got pollen corn. Oh. Hello, Portal Pit. Why are you there? Oh. I just can hear a Christmas song. Anyway, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.